Oops. That wasn't me. This is me. Hi, guys. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an Akai GXR-82D. This is the absolute top end of the Akai 8-track deck line. So let's go ahead and turn around here. One nice thing about these high-end Akais is if you press play before you put the cartridge in, the capstan's already turning, so the moment you put that tape in, it's going to play and it's going to be up to speed. There's no ramping up to speed. There's no waiting for the volume to fade in. The moment you pop in the tape, as long as you've got this play button already to press, it's going to start playing immediately. So here we go. Might be a little loud. Check, 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 check. Okay, I gotta adjust my mic volume. Check, 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 check. Okay, that's probably okay. Okay, those test tones you heard, I'll explain that. Sometimes when I'm troubleshooting a tape deck and I'm playing a tape, I feed test tones through the circuitry. Sometimes those test tones end up actually getting recorded onto the tape, so that's where those little dropouts and beeps come from. So let's pop this back in. Okay, we're at the end of a song, so we'll switch tracks. There we go. And let's just make sure both sides are operating. Easy thing to check. Okay, enough of that. Let's switch tracks a bunch of times.
I whisper in your ear, my heart goes pitter patter 'cause I'm mad at the
Might still be a little bit loud. Check. I apologize to you guys for making recording adjustments.
Just pretend you're a king. Open up your eyes. All I see is like I was reeling and a rocking and a swinging from a coconut. Oh,
Alrighty, well that takes care of that. We had to correct the speed on this thing. It was running pretty slow, so we've got that taken care of. And so I'm ready to move on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. I'll save you guys the drill and the spiel. I'm sure by now you know how to get a hold of me. Thanks for watching.